glasstec 2018 may be over, but we still have a lot more to show you. I'm Jordan Scott, assistant editor of US Glass Magazine, taking you back to Dusseldorf for another look at some of what the show had to offer. Thousands of people attended the show this year, and many of them were there to see the machinery in action. Equipment manufacturers focused on new developments that can help glass companies add value to their products. Here's a look at two lines that can help with just that.
So we're The Glass, we are from Spain. We are a digital printing company. We are a part of Fancy Group, and we are presenting here our latest technology. We have customers that use our machine in different applications, from shower doors to decoration to facades. So the huge advantage about the digital printing technology is that with our printer you can cover all the fields. What the companies look is a product that will be able to replace traditional technologies like screen printing or spray printing, also UV. So with this printer you can do all the jobs in once.
Because we have been around in the residential market for more than 20 years, we are now actually going after the architectural market. We are having our product now specified at the design level. We have been able to have our coating on iconic buildings such as the old Tiffany building in New York. And we're seeing that with environmental factors, we're seeing with rain, snow, any type of contaminants, that there's significant water damage. But if you have a coating on a commercial building, it's a reduction really in overall cost for the building. So what's happening in the industry, whether it's residential or it's commercial, is really the fact that they need to automate their coating process. And so in an effort to reduce the labor component and reduce the chemical cost, the industry is now turning to automation, streamlining the process, going an inline system with their tempering ovens, and ultimately reducing their labor costs.
Next up, we talked with Mike Rosado from Salem Glass & Mirror about the Denver Advance, a vertical alternative to horizontal CNC work centers.
This is the Denver Advance. It's the newest in vertical CNC technology. It's designed to polish glass as well as doors, panels, balustrade work, shower enclosure type panels and whatnot. It's a vertical machine, so you no longer have to lay your panels down horizontally, where you have more handling, more chance of rejects, reworks, scratching and whatnot. So it being vertical and a zero setup machine, meaning you just load the glass, execute the program and go, rather than have to set up backstops and whatnot, vacuum pods.
Aside from the machinery, Glass Technology Live was another attention grabber. In this area, you could get a look at concept and prototype applications that demonstrate the amazing capabilities of glass. Eckersley O'Callaghan showed us the playful side of glass, while Define Engineers gave us a look at just how strong glass can be.
The Seesaw is 11 layers of 10mm glass at its deepest in the center, and then it decreases to 2 layers in the end. It's laminated with Century Glass, it's recessed in the middle to house this acrylic mechanism. The pivot, the stanchion that supports the pivot, the fulcrum, if you like, is again 11 layers of laminated glass, similarly with the acrylic set into that. This is something we dreamt up only a month ago. We worked very hard, very quickly, along with CDAC, who did an incredible job to pull it together, to just really continue that theme along the lines of something that was elegant, playful, but also did its best to demonstrate the qualities that CDAC can produce.
The idea came from Burning Man, actually. I was at the festival last year and I saw there was a gravity project there which had big blocks of granite or concrete hang off some metal chains. And I thought that would be really cool to do with glass. But really, apart from being a toy, it's actually also showcasing some new technology. So we have a transparent silicone from Dowsil, that's the TSSL, and then we have a thin glass. So the glass laminates here are 2mm and 2mm laminated together. Yeah, we hang this 1.5 ton Fiat. It's really a collaborative project, and I think it's these kind of stages where we need to be playful and to explore new technologies. But we actually feel that there is real application for all of these things on real buildings.
Other Glass Technology Live features showcased innovative curved glass capabilities from Precursa, as well as self-illuminating glass from the company Light Glass.
We decided to bring a couple of exhibits. On the one hand, a big panel showing the capabilities of the company in terms of size, in terms of bent glass sizes available nowadays in the market. We wanted to incorporate some other elements, like for instance, what we can do today with digital printing. With digital printing nowadays, we can get to huge sizes that we couldn't imagine years ago, like up to 20 meters. So we are showing a piece of glass that is curved with a very good quality, slumped at 600 degrees, laminated with a very stiff interlayer and a ceramic frit, very nice bluish color on surface number 2 that is in contact with the interlayer. We decided to come with a second exhibit, which is a panel, a real panel of what we are showing in New York on the 5th Avenue, which is a new Nike flagship store.
They wanted to make like a new philosophy of the storefronts, and they wanted to apply motion and give the feeling of motion, of movement in their facades. Getting this kind of movement and like feeling like it's an at least movement, and also like having like the same direction like the swoosh, like the Nike swoosh.
Since 700 years, glass had the function to bring daylight into rooms, but this does obviously only works at daylight, and at night the window, the doors, the facades, there's no daylight outside. What light glass is doing is that we provide self-illuminating glass. When the glass is illuminated, it also provides privacy. It works that between the panes of the IGU we have a material which is fully transparent and has nanoparticles included, and the influx of the light is from the edge of the system, and when the light is influxed, the material reflects the light and gives this effect.
There truly is no other glass industry show like glasstec, and this year is definitely one for the books. I, for one, can't wait to see what 2020 brings. Thanks for watching. I'm Jordan Scott.